Hey guys, so today I just want to go over the 3 different ad placements available on the Amazon platform. Now the reason I want to go over them is to explain to you when and how you should use them when you have a campaign that is performing well. I'm going to share with you the exact how and when you should be doing so in the next videos. But for today, I want to make sure that you understand the definitions of what those placements are. There are 3 different ad placements for any ad on Amazon. So the first one is called top of search. And top of search is the same as saying top of page. It's basically when you type in the search box on Amazon, whatever comes up on page 1 is called top of search. The second one is referred to as product pages, and it's nothing other than ads that appear in a listing. Most of the time it's a competitor's listing, or it could be your own listing as well. Now, to make sure that I'm clear, a listing is basically the page that has the product, the title, the images, and the buy box and the description. This is called the product page. The last one is called rest of search, and they call it rest of search meaning that it doesn't have an exact, definition. So it's basically an ad showing up anywhere other than top of search. So if an ad is showing at in the middle of a page, or at the bottom of the page, or in the second, third, or fourth page, anywhere on there, then it is considered rest of search. So this is it. I wanted to make sure that you understood the 3 different ad placements for Amazon before I go into how and when you should be using them. So if you have any questions, as always, please comment below and I'll get back to you. Okay? See you tomorrow.